Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate custom fonts in Shopify for branding step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on Themes to view your current theme settings. Select the Actions drop-down menu next to your active theme. Choose Edit Code from the options provided. In the code editor, find the Assets folder. Click on the Add a New Asset link. Upload your custom font files. Once uploaded, take note of the font file names and their extensions. Next, locate the theme.scss.liquid or styles.scss.liquid file under the Assets folder. Open this file to make adjustments. At the top of the file, you will need to define the font face. Use the @fontface rule to specify the font family, source, and format. For example, write the following code, replacing the placeholder text with your font details. At fontface, font family, your font name, src, URL, your font file.waf2 asset _ URL, format, waf2, URL. Next, locate the CSS selectors representing the text you want to change. For instance, you might want to modify the body or headings. Add the following CSS rules to these selectors. Font family, your font name, sans serif. This will apply your custom font to the selected elements. Once you've made your changes, click the Save button in the top right corner. To see your updates, open your store in a new browser tab. Refresh the page to ensure the latest changes load. Check that your custom font displays correctly across various sections. If everything looks good, your custom font is now authenticated for your Shopify store branding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.